So in this video, you'll learn how to set up call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 and S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to setting up call forwarding is to open the phone app. From here, you want to select keypad, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and choose settings. In your call settings menu, you then want to scroll and select the option Supplementary Services and simply wait for them to load. Once your supplementary services have loaded, you can then go ahead and select call forwarding and then choose voice calls. From here, wait for them to load again. And then once loaded, you can see the four categories that you can use whenever it comes to call forwarding. You have always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and forward when unreachable. So you can choose to enable always forward, and this means that every single phone call, no matter what, will always be forwarded to that specific number. Bear in mind, if you do choose this one, the other options will no longer be available because you've chosen always forward. However, if you want to choose, say for example, forward when unreachable, you can just tap on it like that, and then all you need to do is just enter in the phone number that you want the calls to be forwarded to. Once you've entered in the phone number, tap on enable, wait a few moments while it adjusts to the changes, and then you should see it will say forward calls to, and then that specific phone number that you've entered. You can go ahead and choose to enable for another option, say for example forward when busy. Just enter in the phone number, and then tap on enable and wait for the changes to be applied. And so that's how you can enable and set up call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.